versa, bro.
Yo, what's up, guys? This is gonna be This is gonna be my first video. Today we're gonna be going over to Cars and Coffee with the boys. We got a calm little 5.0 J335D, little Supra. I mean, fucking Subaru, my fault. Got an N240K, and we got a Golf R over here. This one's got a big single turbo. It's probably the fastest one here. He looks stock, but trust me, that thing rips. Then we got my Gen 1 S197 5.0. Bro, keep in mind, I just watched this shit. Look at all this dirt. Holy smoly. My buddy Jake with the 335D. Why does he have two separables on? I didn't even see that till now. Yo, if y'all need to get tinted up, hit him up, bro. This guy's the best tinter in Baldwin County right now. Look at this little beast. It's alright. What the
That guy just brushed his teeth this morning. He don't want me over.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got hot breath.
Holy fuck, bro. This you right here?
That shit was shot.
How you gonna like wash it this morning? All that crap, right?
I got every species of
It's a little dirty, right?
It's cool because when the sun hits the carbon, it'll all glisten and you're not even gonna be able to see it.
I'm ready to dip.
Are you already there?
I'm ready to dip. We're about to be on the way to the actual Cars and Coffee. We're just kind of meeting up beforehand to get gas at the local bussies. Look at him being gay, blowing kisses and shit. But I'll get back with y'all whenever we're over there. We have arrived to the car meet. This is like not even the good side of it. I mean, there's a Lambo right there, as you can see. Got this 1LE Z06. These scenes are, oh my gosh, especially in black, dude. They're so clean. New Jersey. Damn. I'm gonna go look around. Y'all can. Let's start over here, bro, with the big boy cars, bro. Got this nice Lambo Aventador. I've actually never seen a Aventador in person. This is pretty badass. Oh, Jordan.
Where is everybody?
Jordan, is that the Ferrari from yesterday?
Oh yeah.
It looks like it.
I was gonna ask you something.
Oh my gosh. Which one would you rather have? Hey, these are the ones. This is what we're driving. This is what we're driving. Twin turbo. Holy moly, look at that. Dude, what? It's twin turbo. No way. Look at this Evo though. Holy shit. I have never seen this.
That's shit.
This is pretty clean too. You got a nice twin turbo. Look at that. This is badass. I can't lie, guys. Damn, that's just fire. Which one are y'all choosing, bro? The Evo or the twin turbo? Was that a Gallardo? Is that how you say it? Gallardo? Holy shit, I can't lie. I'm choosing the twin. This is badass. Oh, shit, there's a drum right there. We got a nice off-road Lamborghini, bro. This is clean. Oh, this is I think his name's Tristan. He's always around here. He lives around here. He's a big single on his B58. It's clean. This is nice. Man, it's a clean lineup right here. Bro, you recording too, bro? You're trying to be like me, bro. Oh my god.
You're trying to be like.
Nah, today's actually my first day, bro.
After
Got this little nice Porsche section. Hey, yo, hold on, what is that? Holy moly. Honestly, I don't know what's going on here, but this is nice. And we got a nice Carrera GT. Oh, the front. Everyone's noise. The interior on this. It's nice. Ooh, that's nice. I'll take it.
I'll pop, bro. I didn't want to get in your video.
Look at this. I'm taking this over any Porsche here. Porsche. Don't correct me. Nice little carbon head on this. Got this. I think it's a Salem guy. I don't even know, to be honest. Yeah, it is. That's just nice. What is this? It's a Fortnite car, bro. Yo.
I know my dad had a car.
Will.
I thought that shit was going for you.
Got this nice little shit. I've actually never seen this one.
Yeah, this is a new purchase.
Bro, look at this nice AMG, bro. Throw it over, bro. Come on, man. We're in that trend.
I got a check max, bro.
I got a check. Oh my gosh. Nice little classic. Hey, yo. That goes fire, dude. Okay. This is nice. Oh. Nice little lightning.
Where'd she go?
Oh shit, what's up, bro?
Where'd she go?
Yeah, I've actually never seen this one either. Actually, a lot of shows in here today. Get out the way. Sheesh. That's nice. This is a freaking car right there.
That's crazy. More than 101.
Looking cool. Hey, yo, hold on. I didn't even notice that. That's just dope.
That's not good.
And right hand drive on both. These are dope.
Start getting in your way.
Come on, Gary. Damn, that's just clean as fuck. NSX. Nice little Supra. This is clean. Literally me, but like different year model. Actually, I think I know who this is. This is clean. I actually saw this one at Buc-ee's earlier. This is clean. Clean. Oh. I don't know what sound this is. Probably like a Whipple or something.
Yeah, it's the ones I see that are actually real.
That was dope. Yeah, this is dope too. Okay. Damn, bro, who did that?
50 Henry?
Who did that?
Oh, I did that.
No,
I did that.
that's something Eddie would do. This is tough. What the? Bro, look at this fanboy, bro, over here geeking over my car, bro. Like,
Alright, now delete the
he
video,
gonna make
Larry. You don't
that
deserve
shit,
this.
man. Wait, I want. Hey, yo, that's looking dope. I can't lie. Hey, bro, we kind of got like the same thing going on, bro.
Damn, he's copying.
Yeah, but like a lot less cool.
A lot best cool. Yeah, get on my face, bro. Ford's a type of car, bro. This is nice. PS 550. Oh, it's just clean up. It's that boy Xavier, I think. Bruh, I thought that was me for a minute. I know. At least this is the family. Oh, a saline? Another saline. What is that? Oh, it's a saline. Oh, these are all salines. What the? Walking over to the spot where everyone leaves.